How to sign into PlayStation Network on PS4. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your PlayStation 4. Once you are in here, at the very top right corner, head over to Settings. Inside Settings, head over to Network and make sure that you are connected to Internet. Once you have checked this out, go back to your settings and then move into Account Management. The option of sign in to PlayStation Network will be available to you. Click on it. Wait for a while for it to process. It will lead you to this page. In this page, you can see two different options. One is you can sign into your account simply by scanning this QR code available in this page. Or else you can also tap and sign in manually. It will open up this page. In this page, what you want to do is simply enter your email address and the password that you have created before. Once it has been done, click on sign in and then you will be successfully signed into your PlayStation Network and you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can sign into your PlayStation Network account. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.